Today's video has been brought to you in partnership with Markel Direct Trades Insurance.
And if you want to get your trades business protected in minutes, check out Markel's website, markeluk.com/ball builders. Yeah, but Kieron don't even know what he's going on about. Kieron looks like a sugar puff monster.
Don't catch me on a Thursday, I'm double busy, I'm working and signing on.
Corner, hold that.
Yeah,
morning, gents.
Morning, mate. You alright?
Morning.
Yeah, good. How we doing?
All good, thanks.
Okay. Bit cold this morning?
It's a bit cold today, yeah. Supposed to warm up though, so that'll be alright.
Not as nice out here as it is in there.
Nah, we're gonna spot back again, hopefully.
What are we up to?
Let's get all the beads on, ready to start and put the thin coat system on for the render.
Sure.
We set all the beads up first, and then we get a tight coat with the mesh in, and then a top coat, which will be rubbed up flat, ready for the colour.
Nice. Billy, did you tell the missus that you did the love lift yesterday?
Yeah, I told her.
You told her. How did she take it?
How did she take it? Ah, she was on my side.
You're just cutting them down with the tin snips.
Yeah, let's get the angle on the miters on the corners.
Yep.
Let's try and return it under this step. There's a little dodgy detail.
What glue do you use? Just...
I use like the base coat glue, like the adhesive.
Oh, okay, cool.
And then we use the CT1 for the corner beads.
Yep. Morning, Steve.
Morning.
How you doing, mate?
Not bad.
I think you're doing very well this morning, aren't you?
I'm doing very well. Very happy boy.
What did you just tell me?
So I got home from work yesterday afternoon. There was a gold envelope on the doormat.
Yeah.
Opens it up and apparently I've won £1,000 from the Postcode lottery.
Blimey.
So I was well chuffed
That's very good, yeah.
for a Monday.
Yeah. It's not a bad start to
I
the
still
week.
came into work today.
I don't know why you're here, mate.
And nor do I.
What are you up to?
I'm going to finish filling the fascias.
Yeah.
A few little spots just to fill. And hopefully start getting some paint on.
Cool.
Well, it's a lovely day today.
It's a
Cold,
very lovely
but-
day for you.
It's a lovely day, yeah. Happy boy today.
Sun shining, bit of money in your pocket,
Yeah,
bit of wood filling.
that's it.
Doesn't get better.
No, it doesn't.
What are they actually called? Just corner beads?
Just a corner bead, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're a drip bead. These are corner beads. Then you've got
Okay.
stop beads,
Right.
which we're not using on this one.
Snips.
What are the stop beads for?
They're just more flat for, you can use them around bottom stuff, but Brad wants a little bit of a detail so it
Right.
runs off.
Okay.
But a lot of time we use stop beads around the bottom so it's a nice flat surface.
Yeah. So you're just cutting a bit off.
Yeah.
So you can extend it at the top.
I'm going to do extend it at the bottom, so we're going to kick this bottom outside to go the little run off for the water.
Yeah.
I always cut these backs when you butt them up, they sit nice and tight on the joint.
Right.
Or they hit the bead sometimes.
You did no, John, just scraping off
Just
the...
flattening the glue off that's squeezed through the bead.
Yeah.
So when we put our base coat and mesh on it, it's nice and flat.
So what are you doing, Jay? You're just measuring...
I'm measuring, cutting it into size,
Yeah.
and then I've got to roll them up, and that's how we put them on.
You just roll them up from
Roll
the...
them up, and then obviously we start off at the top bit like this,
Yeah.
put it onto the wall, and obviously when the muck's on, and then just,
Roll it down.
yeah, that's it mate.
Nice.
Just roll down like that.
So will you base coat that and then put the mesh on and then what, flatten it in? So
I'll
the
put a
mesh-
coat over it with a mesh first, then come back and start again, have one over the top.
So you give it two coats?
Yeah, you have two passes, yeah. And then obviously once it gets fixed out, then we rub it
It's
all
the
up.
same principle then that as the inside stuff.
Really, yeah, yeah.
That's
Just,
exactly the same.
Yeah.
You prime it inside
Yeah.
with the cement render, and then you barrier it, mesh it, barrier it.
Can you do it the same day inside though? Or is it over a couple of days?
Couple of days.
Yeah.
Timings,
Yeah.
innit?
This you can basically it's a mesh it, leave it a day and go over with another coat if you wanted to, but you can bring out in one because you've got the suction still.
I gotcha. Yeah.
Otherwise
Okay.
it kills the suction when the first coat dries otherwise.
Yeah.
So it's waterproof.
Gotcha. Yeah, of course.
Jay is saying he might do the love lift later.
Jay,
Jay.
he got permission off his girlfriend. Hello, ladies.
Hello, lady.
It's Jay.
What was that one yesterday?
He says, don't catch me on a Thursday, I'm double busy, I'm working and signing on.
See, I'm double busy. I'm double busy. Can't hang about. I've got to sign on and get back to work. I can't hang about.
You work exactly how I work. I have someone hooking me up.
That's just quicker, isn't it?
Always.
Unless I have a table out, then I'd use a table, but
I always have someone hooking me up, always. I never work by myself when I'm plastering.
it's too much hard work, you know.
It's just too hard.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you think too much. You think too much when you work by yourself like that when you're spreading. And I just think it's so hard.
So this is Teddy Cam, and me and Brad are at Chars' house today, while all the other boys are back at the crib. I'll show you what we're going to be getting up to. So we've got to take out this whole bathroom, and then we're taking out this whole massive wall here. We've got to do the same to the upstairs bathroom. We've got to clear that. There's Brad there.
Ted's excited today for the rip out, isn't you?
Yeah.
Ripping things up.
And you got to move it all though, so.
Yeah. The fun bit's taking it down, the not so fun part is moving.
Plasterboard removed. Let's see if we can use it. Alright, what's next?
You'll like the next bit.
Huh?
You'll like the next bit.
That was the smash now.
You wait till the next bit. Hold yourself.
Bang. It's all done. We didn't get on camera, but it's hard to go on her one. So you might see in a different episode. Sage and Shara here as well. This is for the vlog.
Quick, aren't we?
Yeah, let me go clear that out. Here you go, one side out. Done. And then Brad's just cut around them rings across. The pipes are.
What are you up to, Steve?
Just putting a final primer coat, as it's been sanded a bit. It's taking it back to the bare wood in places. So just cutting in along the top edge there.
So we're still putting the base coat on. I always apply it up first, and once it's on, go across and around just to flatten it off the best I can before the mesh goes on. It's quite hard to spread out this, a lot more pressure you do for like internal plastering to get it to stick. Start putting the top base coat on now. This is the one that gets rubbed up, ready for the silicone top coat. We'll leave that to pick up a bit now, and once it dries a bit more, then we'll start leveling it up and floating it up.
Sure. How long are you going to leave it for?
It's dependent, it's always different, so
Yeah.
just keep an eye on it.
Okay.
Once it gets, when you press it, you can't really get your finger marks in it,
Yeah.
and we'll start playing around with it.
Sure.
Hollywood. Let's go and see. Hollywood is supposed to and Ted basically should have had the bathroom downstairs ripped out.
Right.
And working on the upstairs bathroom.
Right.
Ted's been filming on his camera as well, or like on his phone as well though, so I'm guessing in this vlog you would have seen some footage.
No, I'm sure everyone will say Ted's footage is better than mine.
100%.
100%.
I wouldn't say that, Ben.
No, you'd never say that.
No way,
No,
mate,
you'd
I've
never
got
say
your
anything
back.
like that. Yeah.
Bro, I actually always have your back. You never realise, do you? You don't appreciate it.
I don't know, mate. Kieron's girlfriend did say, do they actually like Ben?
Yeah, but Kieron don't even know what he's going on about. Kieron looks like a sugar puff monster. Let me ring him. Shall we wind him up?
Yeah, got that.
Hey, me and Ben were just having a chat. And Ben reckons you look like the sugar puff monster.
I heard that. I wish I didn't hear that, but I just heard that.
Do you want to tell you a funny story? Is that actually was my nickname when I was in school, because I've hair down to like my shoulders. So they say between the honey monster and Shirley Bassey.
Look at us. Hey, look at us. Look at us. Huh? Who would have thought? Not me.
Shirley Bassey.
I have to send you a photo. It's terrible, mate.
Shirley Bassey's unreal.
It's true.
Yeah, until they found out my surname means flower in Greek, so they kept calling me Petal now.
Alright, Kieron, well, we'll let you go, mate.
Yeah, it's feeding time at the zoo.
Cheers, Sugar Puff Monster.
Okay, Kieron.
Bye, mate. Oh, mate, I can't believe you said that about him.
I hope he actually watches this footage back and then puts a picture of him and Shirley Bassey next to each other.
Oh, mate, that's a shout, Shirley Bassey.
We're the three best friends that anyone could have. We're the three best friends that anyone can have. And we're always gonna hang out.
Yeah.
He's a guy, isn't he?
I'm going to call him Shirley.
He's a nice bloke, old Kieron. I like him.
Yeah, he's a nice
Got
bloke.
a lot of time for him.
Hey, hello.
You missed me this morning.
I have missed you, yeah. Have you missed me?
We've been busy boys. Have a little look in
Oh
there.
my goodness. Look at this. It's a bit different.
Bathrooms ripped out, carpets up. The whole shebang.
Blimey.
BT for you.
Yeah, so I filmed a social video, but I thought I'd set the camera up so we just kick through the wall. The most important part of the thing I forgot to do. What would you expect from me?
Do you know what? That doesn't surprise me whatsoever.
But
So you've got all of the in-between and missed the most important bit, kicking the wall
No,
down.
but hold on, mate. This whole day, mate, we've been asked to film how-to guides, film a video, and take the whole thing out. I'm a two-member. Cameraman's been sitting at home, bro.
I'm not getting involved. I was thinking about this the other day, right?
Yeah.
Do you carry cash?
No, never.
Nah, I never really have cash on me.
No.
But that there, yeah, a little bit of plastic, used to be paper, is £20. Like that's worth £20.
I was thinking that the other, because I had to get, I got a tenner out or something.
It's
Can't
just
remember what
weird,
for.
isn't it?
But that has much more value to me than a number on a screen.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
Like when I've got that in my pocket, I think I've got 20 quid in my pocket.
Mm.
But you know, like if you see like 20 quid in your bank,
Yeah.
it's like it's just too easy to spend, isn't it? Like it's disposable. But when you've got it in cash,
Yeah.
you don't like to spend it as much.
No.
And that's why they're trying to get you online and, and not having the cash.
100%.
Because it's disposable. Like that's weird that that's worth something. Just a bit of plastic.
So
Like-
it has been, but people don't start using more cash and it's going to go out, isn't it?
I know, that's what we was just saying. He's won the postcode lottery, he's flush, he
Yeah,
don't care, bro.
He doesn't care. 20 quid what?
What's 20 quid, mate? I've won the postcode lottery, boy.
Hello, Don, mate.
All right, you alright?
No good. What are you up to?
Just give it a final float now, ready for the top coat. It's nice and flat and smooth. It's a bit wet yet, I'm just started doing this bit here, it's a bit dry in the middle here.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's still a bit wet there, it sort of drags it. So when it gets a bit stiff, I'll go a bit lower.
Benny boy, it is freezing cold, mate.
I know, it's a bit chilly,
Literally,
isn't it?
look at my hands. How dry they've gone where it's so cold. My thumb literally feels like it's going to fall off. Oh, mate, I can't move it. Literally. That hurts to move.
Well, maybe you should just take it off.
I don't know, mate. I'll try.
You're right, mate.
Oh, it's better. Mate, did you see that?
I did, yeah.
That actually really hurt though.
I bet.
I got it
Look
back on, mate.
painful.
Yeah, I got it back on, mate.
Well done. Glad you're alright.
Solid. 2 thumbs down, they call me. We're actually doing on radio tomorrow. We're doing what's your silliest injury and how did you get it? Perfect example.
Yeah.
Man's cut his thumb
I
off.
won't call it silly, but
How did you actually do it?
skill saw, cutting a bit of wood on a on a bucket of all things, and the saw kicked back right across my hand.
So it was silly though, because she was carrying on.
But it was silly, yeah. Rather than sat with a bench, yeah.
You should have had to use it.
Did they not? Could they not sew it back on?
They put it back on, but it didn't take. So I had to have it chopped off again while I was awake.
Can you feel that?
Yeah. It's it goes really cold out in the cold weather.
Do you notice a difference now?
Not
Like,
nowadays.
not
I'm
now.
used to it. At first, took a few months to get used to it.
How long have you had that for?
4 years now. Or not had it, you mean?
Well, not had it. Yeah.
The story with it was, my mate took me to the hospital, but we couldn't find the thumb. So a police car took me to the hospital, and they went back to the job and found the thumb, and it was in the bath in the plug hole.
No.
where it flipped off, yeah.
Oh,
They
mate.
brought it to the hospital in a bag.
I think people should put in the comments
Their
what
injuries.
their injury.
Injuries, yeah.
Yeah.
Let us know in the comment your worst on-site injuries or at-home injuries.
Yeah.
Silly mistakes.
Yeah, Bradley.
You like them lads, huh? Marine grade, because we're right by the sea.
Yeah.
And they're a brownie copper colour. They did them in black, silver, or brownie copper, and I went with the brownie copper because we've got a stony colour render, cream inside, a walnut floor, so you can see the theme going on, yeah.
Mm.
And you've got 4 of them each side of the doors, yeah.
Nice.
And they're up and down like this. The pictures look great. That's it. You'd never really know until they're on and against your building and whatever else. You don't know the size. I think that's nice. It's chunky. Suits the size. I think it suits the size of the building. Yeah, nice. You never really know though. That's the thing.
We are done for another day, mate. The plasterers are gone.
The boy.
Renderers, plasterers. So this is all base coated. Two coats, base coated, flattened out, ready to go for the top coat next week. And same around this side of the wall as well. That's all done, nice and straight. Could have cleaned their beads up a little bit, but that's neither here or there. I mean, I'm not one to judge. But yeah, until tomorrow, mate. We've got juniors turning up with a scaffolding at Chars. Brad and Ted are back at Chars, Hollywood Brad. So you're probably going to be over there most of the day tomorrow because they're doing the same stuff here. So it's not really going to, it's pointless watching them again. So we'll flick between there and here again tomorrow.
Cool.
I've got a meeting tomorrow. But yeah, we'll round it up, mate. Another good day. If you're not subscribing already, please just drop us a subscribe. It's completely free. Don't forget to like and subscribe. How do you feel about that?
Have you noticed that your hoodie blends in with the wall?
Yeah, look.
Where's it gone?
Now I'm really good at hide and seek.
Yeah.
So that's it for today's video, and remember to check out our partner Markel Direct Trades Insurance for a no-nonsense business insurance quote.
And you can get your trades business protected in minutes at the Markel Direct website, markeluk.com/ball builders.